Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you reset Premiere Pro settings. So guys, to reset Premiere Pro settings, you can just click on this window and click on these workspaces and click on this option reset to saved layout. And by clicking it, it will be reset to your previously saved layout. There is also another option, you can reset some settings from Premiere Pro, any settings you want. So for that, click on edit, click on preferences and click on general, and after that from here you can see you can change any of these settings. And if you want to reset every settings, just you need to select alter from your key and click on reset, and after that you need to click on OK. So guys, that's how you can reset Premiere Pro settings. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.